Good evening, students. Today we are starting with the second unit now. The listening activity. We are starting with the second unit. Who is who? Listening activity. You will listen to an interview on radio. You have to assume that I will be reading that conversation for you. You have to assume that you are listening to that interview on radio. Okay? You will listen to an interview on radio where two famous women writers are talking about the progress of Indian woman. Study the questions for a minute before you listen and then fill in the gaps with one or two words. After listening to the conversation, you have to fill in the blanks with one or two words. Now, I will be reading that conversation for you between interviewer and two personalities. Interviewer: good morning. We have with us two award winning authors, Raina Gupta and Yamini Raman, to share their views on the growth of women in India. Raina, congratulations on your latest book. Could you start by telling us about your book and how it deals with the empowerment of women in India? Raina: thank you. My latest book, A Girl Came By, was launched last week. It compares the glory of queens like Rani Lakshmi Bai and Sultana Razia with two modern Indian women named after them, who succeed after great difficulties. Interviewer: so, where do you think Indian women face difficulties? Raina: my story is about how important society is for the growth of a woman. In my view, Indian woman lacks the freedom to choose her way of life because Indian society is not totally woman friendly. Interviewer: Yamini, as a passionate writer of women's issues, do you agree with this view? Yamini: I agree, but only partly. This is true mostly of the rural regions of India We have great achievers like Indra Nooyi, Saina Nehwal, Naina Lal Kidwai, and many others who have shot to fame. Many more Indian women are successful as scientists, administrators, fashion designers, economists, and so on. Interviewer: absolutely. And the good news is that education level among Indian women have been rising. The 2011 census shows a female literacy rate of over 65%, a good rise over the previous years. Raina, don't you think that's a positive sign? Raina, what she answers now? Yes, it is. But we need a society where women can grow without fear. Even in educated urban societies, women face many social problems. Interviewer: very important point. How many women in India are free to choose their clothes, their lifestyles, and their jobs? Yamni, what's your view? How do you think a woman can succeed in India? Yamini, every woman is strong, and a woman can succeed only if she sees her own strength. Interviewer: Yamini, some of our listeners believe that your heroines are exceptionally strong character and that such character are rarely found in real life. Do you agree? Yamini, my heroines are ordinary characters who choose to be extraordinary. I try to show that every woman is actually very strong and can choose to be so. Interviewer: so, while a woman should understand her own strength, society too should help her grow. The two go hand in hand. Listeners, it's a time for break. But don't go away. We will be right back. Now, this is the conversation between two personalities. What the interviewer has taken an interview of Raina and Yamini. You can listen to the conversation twice and you have to fill in the blank. You have to read the fill in the blank and you have to fill in the gaps. As you listen, start marking your answers. Now see, I will be reading the fill in the blank for you very slowly and you have to copy down that and you have to mark the answers according to the conversation. As you listen to the conversation, mark the answer. Now see, listening exercise we are doing, listening activity exercise. You will listen to an interview on radio which you have already listened, which I have read the conversation for you, where two famous women writers are talking about the progress of Indian women. Read these sentences for a minute. If you are having a book, you can read those sentences of fill in the blank in your book. Read these sentences for a minute before you listen, and then while listening to the interview, complete them with one or two words. Once you are done, listen again to complete the task. I am reading the fill in the blank for you. The first fill in the blank. Raina's new book is called dash. Again I am reading. Raina's new book is called dash. Second fill in the blank I am reading for you. In Raina's book, the heroines are named after dash and dash. Second fill in the blank again I am reading for you. In Raina's book, the heroines are named after dash and dash. Third fill in the blank I am reading for you. Two of the woman achievers, Yamini, point out are dash and dash. Again I am reading the third one for you. Two of the woman achievers, Yamini, points out are dash and dash. Fourth one I am reading for you. According to the 2011 census, dash was over 65%. Again I am reading the fourth one for you. According to the 2011 census, dash was over 65%. Fifth one I am reading for you, the fifth fill in the blank. Raina thinks that women are not dash to choose their ways of life. Fifth one again I am reading for you. Raina thinks that women are not dash freedom to choose their ways of life. Sixth one I am reading for you. Yamini's heroines are ordinary women who choose to be dash. Again I am reading the sixth one for you. Yamini's heroines are ordinary women who choose to be dash. Now in the B part, this was the A part which you have to fill in the blank, and the B part you have to complete the sentences. The options are given to you. The correct option you have to fill in that. Complete the sentences. In the B part, first one I am reading for you. Woman face problem in dash. Again I am reading for you. Woman face problem in dash. Options are: first option, only in villages. Second option, both in villages and urban areas. The second one I am reading for you. Complete the sentence. The second one, options are given to you. Second one I am reading. Yamini agrees with Raina's views dash. First option, completely. Second option, partly. Again I am reading for you. Second one, Yamini agrees with Raina's views dash. First option, completely. Second option, partly. Okay. Now you can see this, which is given in your book, this exercise. That means you have to listen to the conversation and you can mark the correct answer. Okay. You can see the exercise which is given in your book. The ASL dialogue book is given in that. Okay. You can see those exercises and you can mark the correct answer. You can put the correct answer in the fill in the blank, and in the option 1 you can choose the correct answer and you can put a tick mark over there. This exercise you have to do in your copy. Maintain the ASL listening activity exercise copy separately. Okay. You can mark these answers in your copy. Okay. See the exercises. You can mark the exercises. Okay. Which you can see in your book also. Okay. Got it, everyone? See the exercises and mark the correct answer. Okay. Mark the correct answer.